Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore a beautiful word. Create. What does it really mean? Let's find out together. Create means to make something new. It could be a picture, a story, a toy, or even a wonderful idea. Creating is all around us. We create every single day in so many ways. When a child draws a picture, when someone cooks a meal, or when we build something with our hands, we are creating. But why do we create? We create to share our ideas with the world. To solve problems. To have fun and learn new things. And to express our deepest feelings. How do we create? It's simple. First, think of an idea. Then, use your tools or materials. And finally, make something completely new. Artists create beautiful things that touch our hearts. Paintings, sculptures, music, all born from creativity. Inventors create amazing tools and machines that change our lives. Technology starts with someone's creative spark. Even nature creates wonders. A flower blooming, a bird building its nest, creation is everywhere in the natural world. Creating makes us happy. It helps us learn and grow. It brings people together and sparks new ideas that can change everything. So remember, you can create something wonderful today. Your creativity has no limits. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Now go out there and create something amazing. The world is waiting for your unique gift.